Okay, quick tutorial to install Office deployment tool. Let's go. There's gonna be no editing, no nothing. Just one shot, get it done. You're gonna go to Bing, whatever you like. Click on the first one. Download it. Agree, continue. Click on the desktop here. Don't click on anything. Click on the desktop. Then do make new folder. Call it Office 2.0. Just 2. Not 2. You see, I already had another one. It's called Office 2. And now we're gonna check. Okay, it didn't copy over. So if that happens, no problem. Go to your download folder. Find it. Download it once. Just run it again. Put in that one. Here you go. No problem. Delete the files. You don't need it. You just need this endpoint stuff. Then you're gonna go configure.office.com. You don't have to log in, nothing. Just go to the bottom, create. Here, 64-bit Office. You want to do Enterprise. That's the one. Ignore current channel. Latest, pick whatever you want, or you should pick Word, Excel, no Skype, OneNote, because I had the pen, PowerPoint, no Teams, no background service. Language, should do match system. Ignore. Agree to that. Next, and finish. You can do export. Pick Office Open Excel format. Accept. Name it. Install config. Export it. There you go. Obviously I made other ones, so that's why it's number 2. Put it into the Office folder. And just delete this stuff to make it easier. To the one that we made. You can remember, obviously yours is not going to be 2. Mine is 2 because I have different copies. There you go. Then you're going to go to your command prompt. You can type command prompt, or you can just do CMD. You're going to locate, in the command prompts, you're going to locate this folder. So what you do is, you go here to the address bar, copy the whole link. Then you type CD, which is change directory. Copy that, Office 2. That's the whole folder, right? Then we're going to access the setup. I have a copy here, and here you're going to type setup.exe /configure/ no space installconfig.xml, and you can do enter. It's going to run in the background. I guess I should do it. I don't want it. I'm going to do it. Fuck it. I'm going to run it. I'm not going to run it because I already have it installed. When that happens, gonna install the whole thing. We're good. We're gonna go to one of those applications. I'm gonna click Word.